Hello my friends! Today I will show you how to make this elegant crochet snowflake. Visit my website to see a written pattern for this project or to explore my other snowflake patterns. All of them are available for free. The links are in the description box below. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell button to never miss a video. For this tutorial I used DMC cotton yarn with a 3mm crochet hook, but you can use any yarn with the corresponding hook. To start you need to make 6 chain stitches and form a loop. You can also use magic ring technique if you are familiar with it. Now chain 3, yarn over and make 1 double crochet inside the loop. Make 3 chain stitches, yarn over and work 2 double crochets inside the loop. Now repeat it 4 more times, 3 chain stitches and 2 double crochets. As you can see, these 3 chains work like 1 double crochet, so all we have to do is make 3 chain stitches and attach them with a slip stitch to the top here. On to round 2. Start with 1 chain stitch. Then make 2 slip stitches. We need to move to the chain space here. Make 4 chain stitches. And begin working into the chain space as follows. 2 treble crochets, sew yarn over twice, pull through 2 loops and again and through another 2. Now repeat it 1 more time. Make 2 chain stitches and work 3 treble crochet stitches into the same space, just like I do here. The initial 4 chain stitches you made at the beginning of the row work like one treble crochet, so this will be your repeatable module for this row. 3 trebles, 2 chains, 3 trebles, all worked in one chain space. You should have 6 of these modules in total. When you reach the end of the round, close it with a slip stitch. On to the final round. One little thing before we begin. In this round you will work a lot of stitches into chain spaces and it may look like they are not going to fit there, but I assure you they will. Start by making 2 slip stitches. The last one in the chain space. That's where we need to begin this round. Chain 4. This will work as one treble crochet, just like in the previous round. Now make 2 treble crochets. Here we are going to make a picot, which is a chain of 3 folded on itself to create a little bump. To attach it, insert your hook in the base of the chain and make a slip stitch. Now make 3 treble crochets again, the ones with 2 yarn overs. Remember, we are still working in the same chain space. Now make 2 chain stitches. Keep your finger on the last stitch and make a picot. Now the fun part. We need to make another 2 picots, but they should grow out of the same stitch, the same base. Once you attach one with the slip stitch, simply make another 3 chain stitches and a slip stitch in the same base. Great, we've got our 3 picots. Now it's time to go back down, and to do so we need to make 2 single crochets in the 2 chain stitches we've got here. Now we need to repeat what we did at the beginning, so make 3 trebles, 1 picot and 3 trebles again. Remember that we are still working in one chain space. Your module looks like this: 3 trebles, 1 picot, 3 trebles, 2 chains, 3 picots in 1 stitch, 2 single crochets in the chain stitches, 3 trebles back in the chain space, 1 picot, 3 trebles. Okay, so we've got 1 of 6 arms of this snowflake ready. Time to make another 5. Once you've done your trebles, simply start working in the next chain space. To make sure you won't miss any step, please follow written instructions or pause and go back in the video to see me repeat the process. Once you've finished your last arm of the snowflake, close the round with the slip stitch into the top of the chain 4 from the beginning of the round. Voila! The snowflake is finished. Now it's time to block and stiffen it. To see how I block and stiffen my crochet pieces, please see the video or read an article on my website. All the links are in the description box below. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or would like to see more, please leave suggestions and feedback down below. Thanks and have a creative day!